Guys, the old guard is shaking. We are at a massive turning point where the old market cycles are being completely rewritten. This is Gary and welcome to CryptoSniperPro. Look at sentiment. Last week the index hit a record low of 5, and even with a small rebound to 9, we are in an extreme fear zone last seen during the 2018 crash. Historically, when the hate is this loud, the opportunity is even louder. Why is this happening? Look at the macro. We've got a decoupling where GDP is growing at 2.5%, but the labor market is softening as companies swap workers for AI. Enter the new Fed chair nominee, Kevin Warsh. He's a known hawk, but he's walking into a Fred Astaire tap dance. Inflation just crashed from 2.7% to under 1% in 60 days. If Warsh is forced to cut rates by summer to support a weakening job market, risk assets like Bitcoin and ETH are going to see a massive V-shaped recovery. Second big reason, the global debt burden. China has already cut its US debt holdings in half to double its gold reserves. We are in a game theory world where nobody wants to be left holding the bag of US debt. This is why the Clarity Act is the ultimate game changer. Even though Senate markups were delayed to late January, this bill finally integrates stablecoins into the federal framework with one-to-one treasury backing. It turns stablecoin issuers into narrow banks and makes them the new engine funding the US government. In a world of chaos, wartime Bitcoin reemerges as the ultimate hedge against central government overreach. Finally, look at the suits. Bitwise reports that institutional capital is going vertical. Roughly 1/3 of financial advisors are now allocated to crypto for clients, and 99% of them plan to buy more. Major banks like JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley are already building crypto trading and settlement rails. We're expecting 2/3 of all financial institutions to be wired up to this asset class in the next 6 months. They might start with crappy products, but the infrastructure is officially here. Between the Fed's forced hand, the Clarity Act, and the banking race, the endgame is closer than you think. Is Bitcoin hitting 100K by late 2026, or are we going further down first? Drop only up or further down in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the link below. I'll see you in the next one.